Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can improve visual stability on Shopify. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I already made multiple videos about this topic. In this tutorial, I'm going to go deeply about this. I'm going to show you exactly what causes this problem and how you can fix this. Okay, so before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial. Okay, let's get started right now. Okay, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, so to improve, guys, visual stability, first you will have to know what causes this problem. Okay, so probably I will show you guys multiple methods on how you can fix this problem, and I will show you also like multiple things that cause bad visual stability. Okay, so I'm also going to show you guys a website that will help you recognize the problems that you have on your Shopify store, and it will just show you how you can fix them. Okay, it will show you the problems that you have and the solutions you need to do in order to improve visual stability. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you need to look at is apps. Okay, so that's the first step. I know this is not going to be a solution for everyone, but like I said, I'm going to show you guys multiple things you can do to improve visual stability on your Shopify store. Okay, so like I said, the first thing you need to look at is apps. Okay, if you have recently installed any third-party apps, try temporarily disabling that app to see if the visual stability improves. Okay, some apps may inject scripts or modify the layout in ways that can cause instability. Okay, so if you want, you can just if you have downloaded any app and you may think that it caused the bad visual stability, just try to disable the app, try to remove it and see if the visual stability improves. Okay, so you want to click on settings and click on apps and sales channels, and here you will find all the apps. Okay, this applies especially if you have downloaded an app that makes moving things on your Shopify product page, like blinking or something like that. It may cause the bad visual stability. Okay, if you have downloaded any app you think will cause this problem recently, just remove it and see if the visual stability improves. Okay, keep in mind it's going to take some time to see the results. Okay, so another way, guys, is to check the theme code. Okay, I know a lot of people try to customize their Shopify stores, so you will have to add multiple codes to make their Shopify store stands out, like change some text size or some font that they cannot find on your own Shopify store, or to change the color on some sections, the background color on some sections that doesn't the Shopify doesn't allow you to change, for example, background colors on certain sections on Shopify, but with code everything is possible. So I'm not saying that this exact problem is going to cause this problem. Okay, this is just an example. If you have added any code recently, it may cause this problem. Okay, so what you guys need, if you are comfortable with code, so just click on online store, just try review your theme code, especially the theme.liquid file, for any scripts or functionalities that may be causing the layout shifts. Okay, you want to go to online store and you want to click on three little dots next to customize and click on edit code, and you want to search here for theme. Okay, theme.liquid. Okay, and check if there is any code that you have added recently that might cause this problem. Okay, you can also click here, it says recent changes, click on current and then select here original. It will just change, it will just fix any, it will just remove any code that you have added to your theme.liquid file. It will remove any code if you can click on current and you click on original here, and it will just remove any code that you have added to your theme. Okay, so but keep in mind that if there is a code that really helps you with your Shopify store, think about it before removing that code if it's very important. Okay, this may help. Okay, if you click here recent change and you want to click on original, it will just remove any code that you have added recently. Okay, also Also, I think it really happened to me multiple times. When you add when you use flashing content, like I would suggest you guys to avoid using elements that blink or change size rapidly, as this can be like visually distracting and contribute to instability. Okay, so this really affects your visual stability. Okay, if you want to improve visual stability, make sure you don't add any code or apps that help makes your Shopify product page blink or change color rapidly. Okay, automatically. For example, I have added this one. As you can see, these customers are viewing this product right now. I have added this widget, and it doesn't affect anything. Okay, it does make whenever someone clicks on, first let me just remove this. Okay, if one of the customers reloads this page, as you can see, this number is going to change, but it doesn't really affect the visual stability. As you can see, it's going to change from 38 to another number. As you can see, 50 customers are viewing this product right now. Yet it makes it changes itself, but it doesn't affect the visual stability. So just keep your eye at something like this. Okay, it may cause the problem, but for me it doesn't affect the visual stability. So yeah, that's exactly what you need to do. There are a lot of other tips, probably if you are doing this wrong, it may cause bad visual stability. Ensure all images used on your website are recommended size by Shopify. Okay, the recommended size, as you can see, recommended size Shopify. Here, just search here for what size Shopify images. Okay, you want to search here for images here. As you can see, this is the recommended size on Shopify. So your images should be this size. As you can see, it's the recommended size for Shopify. You can for example, change your images to this size by using a lot of websites that help reduce the size of the image. Okay, for example, you can just search for reduce image size, something like this. There are a lot of websites that will help you do this. Okay, so in this case, you just need to search for image resizer. This website really works. Okay, so you just need to select here the image. I'm going to go with an image here, and as you can see, you can then change this size to the recommended size. Okay, as you can see, this is the recommended size on Shopify. Okay, so you already saw the recommended size. I'm going to do that right now, and as you can see, I'm going to change this to recommended size. Okay, the exact make sure you change this to pixel. Okay, as you can see, pixel, and then put this size, as you can see. And then after that, you want to click on resize image, and that's exactly, guys, what you need to do. And after that, you want to add it to your product page on Shopify. Also, another way is you want to search for this website. It's called Page Speed Insights. Okay, this is the name of the website. It's called Page Speed Insights. You want to click on it, and you want to then paste here the URL of your Shopify store. It will show you guys the problems you have on your Shopify store. Now I'm going to copy the URL of my Shopify store, and I'm going to paste it here. And after that, you want to click on Analyze. Okay, after that, you want to select here Desktop, and it will show you guys all the data here, and also the problems you have on your Shopify store and how you can fix them. Okay, so you just need to wait a few seconds. As you can see here, guys, the performance score is 100, and the accessibility is 96, best practices 96, SEO 92. You can scroll down and you can see all the problems here. The speed index here is 0.9 seconds. The largest contentful paint 0.7 seconds. Okay, so you can check. You want to scroll down a little bit, and here you will see here the problems you have. As you can see here, the first problem I have here is I have to reduce the unused JavaScript. Okay, potential savings, as you can see, of 20 gigabytes. And also avoid serving legacy JavaScript to modern browsers. Okay, this doesn't really save anything. As you can see, it's like 0, but you can like see all the problems you have on your Shopify store. But in general, my Shopify store really looks good, so it doesn't have any problems here. Probably if you have like a lot of these red icons here, that means you have like multiple problems, and you just need to just click, for example, if you have this problem, click on it, and here it will say reduce the unused JavaScript. Okay, as you can see, and then you can see how you can reduce the unused JavaScript. You just need to click on learn how to reduce unused JavaScript, and you will be able to, it will take you directly to this page so that you can learn how you can do this. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can check or how you can improve the Shopify visual stability. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. And yeah, see you guys in the next tutorial. Please drop a like and see you guys in the next video.